Welcome back to this channel again. Here we'll solve a problem. Create a folder, directory, and copy and move file. Okay. These are questions. So how to create a directory? mkdir. It's a directory 1. All right. So directory 1 you see created. Now let's say file 1, we are going to file copy to directory 1 and file 2 move. Okay, copy is command. Okay, clear the copy is cp file dot text. Okay, copy to directory. This is source and this is destination. Copy is the command copy. This is source and this is destination. Now press enter. It is copied. ls nsl. You can see inside dir and you can see this file is there, or we can type here tree dir1. So you can see here dir1, this is there. Now clear the screen. We are going to move file 2 to directory 1. Okay, tree dir1. Okay, so we are going to move move file 2 and dir. Okay, all right. Now type ls. You can see that file 2 is moved. Okay, how to see tree dir1. Now you can see inside directory there are 2 files. One is file 2 already moved, and here is only the current file shows up and file 2 is gone. File 2 is inside dir. This is how to copy and move. Thank you.